If you want to turn on deep focus like a switch so you can crush your goals, I don't want you to miss out on this video, because I'll tell you exactly how I've been able to do this for the past 3 years with this channel, along with other things I'm about to talk about. I feel like for me, it's been able to be such a hidden superpower for me to just focus on something and not get distracted, not have to take scroll breaks or anything like that. So it's truly life-changing. It's easier than you think too. My paper! The first thing you need to do, which I realized when I was playing soccer or football, I just say soccer to not confuse the Americans, but we finished the regular season for our school football team, and we were going into the first playoff game, like a bracket. Think of it like the tournament, like that. So we go into the tournament. We haven't won a tournament game at all, just like a single game. We haven't won a tournament game in the past 7 years. Seriously. So going into this game, I'm already like, okay, I don't want this to happen again. It's my last year playing for this team. The past 3 years I've experienced loss, and I don't want this to happen anymore. I'm about to leave this team, and I have to go off with at least one win. So what do you expect me to do when I have the ball, when I'm in the game? I want to try, right? So if I see the ball in the box where I'm about to score, I'm basically like kind of shoving people away to try to get the ball, body myself so I get the ball and then score a goal. I'm trying to do that. And that's exactly what I did. I scored the first goal for the first playoff game that we had, and it ended up being our first win in 7 years. Now, I'm not saying it was just because of me, it's like I'm that good, but it's just because I had that desire, and the rest of my teammates also had that desire. When you have that desire, it's so much easier to actually score, actually achieve that thing you're trying to do. The second thing you can do right now to unlock your flow state permanently, I realized this when it was another summer day, unlike what it is right now, pretty cold, dark. I'm having fun, I'm hanging out with all my friends, I'm staying up, no care in the world, I can sleep in. It's summer, peak, right? So I'm chilling with my friends one day, and it starts to get late. I told my mom I was going to be home at like 11 p.m. So 11 p.m. passes, I'm still with my friends. I don't see myself leaving anytime soon. I'm just like, shoot, Mom, I gotta go at 11:30, 11:45. None of my friends want to leave, so I'm just gonna keep staying. I'm having fun. Then it's 12, okay, 12, I'm leaving. I don't even know if it's worth texting my mom. She's probably already sleeping. Parents are already sleeping. So I drive home. It's like 12:13 a.m. It's already the next day. Actually, that day, I got a speeding ticket. So I recently just got my driver's license, got a speeding ticket. I'm home late. My parents aren't happy. I'm upset with them for a few days. This really just dragged me down, and it just made me like not want to be at home even more. It made me just so like, I just feel so annoyed. I would go in my room, it would be a complete mess, and I would just be stressed. I feel like a big part of this was because my environment wasn't clean. What I kind of forgot to do was prioritize my priorities. Prioritize what I genuinely desired to do in the long term. So to make sure you know what you want to prioritize, leave a comment of your goal, what you want to prioritize, what you want to reach your flow state in, and put that in the comments of this video. We can all see it, get ideas, I'll heart them, and It'll be great. It's a win-win. Let's encourage each other and grow together. I also have that with the free community in the description. But whence I started to, whence, I'm making up words, bro. Once I started to clean my room, have positive relationships with my friends, also have calm music, stuff like just having a to-do list. Those simple things that just make such a big impact. At the time when I was really stressed, that could have helped me a lot, making my phone doom scroll proof as well. So the next thing you can do to reach your flow state anytime you want to is when I was playing another sport. It wasn't football, soccer, whatever you want to call it. It was this sport called lacrosse. It's a really fun game. If I had to describe it, it's similar to hockey, but you're on a field and it's a pretty competitive game actually. It requires a lot of desire, clean surroundings, good teammates, and I was really serious about winning and doing good. We actually won the first round of playoffs. Then came the second playoff game. We were really pumped up. I was playing with some of the guys that introduced me to this game, and when we lost, just seeing the people that got me here, basically, it really broke me down. I started tearing up. And it always felt bad, like, dang it, what if, like, we just scored a goal and then the whole momentum of the game could have changed? What if we just did this? What if we just did that? I feel like with those, oh, what if I just did that instead? Or, oh, I should have done this instead. Basically those things, like dreading on the past. But not only just like don't dread on the past, but like a loss is only as bad as you make it seem. Seriously. You can not change what already happened. You probably know that. So, because we both know that, we can try. We don't have to be perfect at this. We just have to try to have a better outlook on it. Maybe if we clean our environment up, maybe if we have a better desire to actually change, it'll be a lot easier to look at those losses as things we can learn from. You learn way more from a loss than you do with a win. There's a reason why a lot of successful people had to fail thousands of times. I love to believe that everything happens for a reason. Every problem, every loss is an opportunity to change and grow from that. Strengthen your mindset. The last thing I quickly want to talk about to unlock your flow state, to fully lock in and yada, 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 is I just want to leave you on this question. Which video that I will make on my channel, which video do you think will be better? The first video I made or the 556th video I made? Which video do you think I'm more confident in? I have higher quality. I feel better about the video. I'm not afraid to put it out as much. Whoa, how do you say that? To publish it, there we go. But you probably think it's not the first one, right? That's because I got reps in. I stayed consistent. So get reps in, practice, keep going, and you'll win. It's that simple. I believe in you. I'm rooting for you. I hope you have all the best. If you like the environment, if you like the vibe, you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing. It's free. Join the free like-minded community in the description as well. There's thousands of people all like us trying to get better and change. I know, especially during the winter and just dark times in general, it can be lonely, can be hard to change, but with the like-minded club, having hundreds of people who all resonate with you and want to grow too, want to encourage you, want to get better, it makes it so much easier to feel like you have community, someone to talk to. So I highly recommend joining that free community, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.